Windows are more than just a way to let natural light into your home. They play a critical role in its safety, energy efficiency, and overall value. For homeowners in Kendall, where the tropical climate and occasional hurricanes pose unique challenges, investing in high-quality window replacements is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Here's why upgrading to high-quality windows is essential for protecting your Kendall home and enhancing your quality of life. Enhanced storm protection. Kendall's location in South Florida makes it susceptible to hurricanes and tropical storms. Standard windows often can't withstand the high winds and flying debris that accompany severe weather. Hurricane-resistant features. High-quality replacement windows are designed to meet strict building codes for storm protection. Impact-resistant windows, for example, are constructed with reinforced frames and laminated glass that can withstand hurricane-force winds and debris. Even if the glass cracks, the interlayer prevents it from shattering, protecting your home from water and wind damage. Year-round peace of mind. Unlike temporary hurricane shutters, impact windows provide constant protection. You don't have to scramble to install barriers every time a storm approaches, making them a convenient and reliable solution. Improved energy efficiency. In Kendall's warm and humid climate, keeping your home cool is a constant challenge. High-quality windows are engineered to minimize heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures stable and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Energy-saving features. Low E glass reflects heat and UV rays while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple panes. Insulated glass units with inert gas fillings, such as argon, reduce heat gain. Thermally insulated frames. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass resist heat transfer better than traditional aluminum. By upgrading your windows, you'll enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable home while reducing your carbon footprint. Enhanced security. Your windows are one of your home's most vulnerable entry points. High-quality replacements not only look great but also offer superior security features to protect your family and belongings. Reinforced frames and locks. Modern windows are built with robust frames and multi-point locking systems that make them more resistant to forced entry. Impact-resistant windows, in particular, are tough to break, acting as a deterrent for burglars. Peace of mind. Knowing that your windows provide an additional layer of security helps you feel safer in your home, especially when you're away. Increased home value and curb appeal. Replacing outdated windows with high-quality options can dramatically improve your home's aesthetic and resale value. Modern styles and finishes. High-quality windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and materials, allowing you to customize the look to match your home's architecture. From sleek casement windows to classic double-hung designs, the right windows can elevate your home's exterior appeal. Boosted resale value. Energy-efficient and impact-resistant windows are features that potential buyers in Kendall look for. Homes with these upgrades often sell faster and at higher prices, making window replacement a wise investment. Reduced maintenance. Old or low-quality windows often require frequent repairs or upkeep. High-quality replacements are designed for durability and ease of maintenance. Weather-resistant materials. Modern windows are made with materials that resist warping, corrosion, and fading, even in Kendall's humid climate. For example, vinyl frames don't require painting and resist moisture. Fiberglass frames are highly durable and stable. Powder-coated aluminum frames resist rust. Easy cleaning features. Many replacement windows feature tilt-in sashes or removable panes, making it easier to clean both the interior and exterior glass. Noise reduction. Living in Kendall often means dealing with outdoor noise, whether it's from traffic, construction, or bustling neighborhoods. High-quality windows with multi-pane glass and soundproofing technology can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter and more relaxing indoor environment. Choosing the right window replacement for your Kendall home. Not all windows are created equal, and selecting the right replacements is crucial to maximizing their benefits. Consider the following. Impact resistance, essential for storm-prone areas. Energy efficiency ratings. Look for windows with a low U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, to ensure optimal performance. Material durability. Choose frames that can withstand Kendall's humid and salty air without deteriorating. Professional installation. High-quality windows are only as good as their installation. Work with experienced professionals to ensure a proper fit and seal. Protect your home with confidence. High-quality window replacements are more than a home improvement. They're a critical step in safeguarding your home and enhancing your lifestyle. From storm protection to energy savings, security, and style, the benefits of investing in top-tier windows are undeniable. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, contact a trusted window replacement specialist in Kendall. They'll guide you through the process, helping you choose the perfect windows for your home's needs and ensuring expert installation. Protect your home, elevate its value, and enjoy peace of mind with high-quality window replacements today.